Ngayon, kung may interest expense ka, pwede mo bang i-claim lahat yan? Hindi. Kasi meron tayong arbitrage limit. Ano tong arbitrage limit din? Ito yung ide-deduct natin dun sa interest expense. So let's say may interest expense kang 30K uli. Tapos, may interest income ka subjected to final tax na 10,000. Magkano ang pwede mong i-deduct na interest expense? Pwede mo bang i-deduct yung buong 30,000? Hindi, kasi dapat bawasan natin siya dun sa arbitrage on interest income. Ano tong arbitrage on interest income? 20% of the interest subjected to final tax. So going back on our example, 30,000 yung interest expense natin, 10,000 yung ating interest income subjected to final tax. So kukunin daw natin yung 20% ng interest income natin subjected to final tax. So 10,000 times 20% is 2,000. So if our expense is 30K and our arbitrage is 2,000, therefore, ang pwede mo lang i-deduct ay 28,000. So again, hindi mo pwedeng i-deduct lahat. So you cannot deduct all your interest expense. It will be reduced by the arbitrage limit on interest income.